Hello students, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School, Sita Saungi. I am your English teacher, Mr. Gajanan sir, and today we are going to learn very important and interesting topic which revolves around Siddhartha Gautam Buddha's ideology of life and his philosophy, the Sermon at Banaras. Okay students, so let's see. Student, the sermon at Banaras. First of all, you must understand the title of the story. The sermon means a religious talk, a religious speech which the preacher or any religious teacher give to his disciples. So here you know that Banaras is located in Uttar Pradesh. It is a holy city, and the source of the story is taken from Betty Renshaw's Value and Voices, a college reader. Okay, so students, the Sermon of Banaras throws light upon the early life of Lord Buddha, who was originally born as a prince in the royal family. On being exposed to the sufferings of the world, he went in search of salvation, and for achieving this, he left all the worldly pleasures behind upon attaining spiritual awakening. He gave his first sermon, means his first speech, first religious speech in the holy city of Banaras, and that is very beautifully depicted in this story. Students, Lord Gautam Buddha, he shows to the mankind the correct path of life, how we can lead a better path of life with happy approach. Now students, next see, Gautam Buddha was born in 563 BC, means before Christ, okay, before the birth of Jesus Christ. Began life as a prince named Siddhartha Gautama in northern India. Initially in his childhood he was a prince. His father was a king. His father name was a Shuddhodhan. So he was a prince. So early his life, at 12 years he was sent away for schooling in the Hindu sacred scriptures in collection of books accepted as a holy text, and 4 years later he returned home to marry a princess. Student, that in our ancient times the king used to send their son for a religious reading books, means 4 Vedas were there, all the Vedas, Upanishads, that to gain that knowledge the king used to send his child to that particular religious place. So what happened, when he was 12 years old, he went to that read sacred scriptures, and after 4 years he returned home and he married with a princess. So students, what happened, at the age of 25 the prince therefore shielded from the sufferings of the world while out hunting chanced upon came across by, means chance upon means came across by a sick man, then an aged man, then a funeral procession, and finally a monk begging for alms. So students, early 25 years he was a prince and he was enjoying all the worldly pleasures of life. So that time he was not aware about what is sadness, what is sufferings. But one day when he went outside for hunting, he saw 4 such incidents which transform him into a Buddha. Means what happened? These are the 4 pictures which changed the life of Siddhartha Gautam Buddha. The first picture was a sick man, then aged man, a funeral procession, and a monk begging for alms. So these are the 4 features that you can see So his mind was constantly asking him the question that okay, it means every man has to die at once, means who has taken the birth, that man will also pass away. Then aged man, you know students that no one can stop age. Now you are young, you will become adult, then you will become old, and afterwards you will be no more. This is the cycle of life. And funeral process means death is the eternal path of our life. It's a eternal reality. And monk begging for alms. Now see, if a hungry person is there and if he is not getting food, how can he live a happy life? So such type of four pictures changed the mind of Lord Siddhartha Gautam Buddha. And now he wanted to search the real knowledge of life. Means, what is the reason of our sadness? What are the things which come as a barriers in the path of our life? So students, even though he was enjoying all the worldly pleasures, Siddhartha Gautam Buddha, he left his son, his wife, and his kingdom in the middle of in midnight. He just went outside his home, he left kingdom, and he wanted to gain the knowledge, the spiritual knowledge. Means, what is the root cause of our sadness? Why death is eternal part of life? So such type of questions continuously hammering in his mind. So he want to get the knowledge, real true knowledge of life. Okay, and for achieving this goal, he left all the worldly pleasures, and he gave his first sermon at Banaras. Okay, so this is the first part of the story, and I hope you have enjoyed it. And your homework is you just read out what happens in the beginning of the story, which are the things which transform Siddhartha Gautam Buddha's thinking, and he wanted to leave all the worldly pleasures. This is your homework. Thank you students, and have a happy day.